Meaning of ensign.
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 Ensign. Ensign has several meanings, but it typically refers to a flag or banner that represents a particular group or nation. The term is often used in military contexts, where an ensign may serve as a symbol of leadership or authority. In naval terminology, an ensign is a rank equivalent to a second lieutenant. Additionally, the word ensign can refer to a ship's principal flag, or to a junior officer who serves as a standard bearer. Overall, ensign is a versatile term with a variety of meanings related to flags and leadership.